Hey guys, kalian mau tahu banget nggak saat mereka berbahasa Inggris? Check it out ya.
I'm truly honored to speak at this prestigious forum, and I'm very happy to be able to contribute in the efforts of strengthening the relations between Indonesia and Singapore.
That the strong bond between Indonesia and the United Arab Emirates will continue to blossom and flourish.
We have seen proliferation of fake news, rising tension, and polarization in the society in some parts of the world.
Hereby like to officially nominate as the invention of the century, the selfie.
I hope you will all strike up new partnerships and productive collaboration. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, let us move forward together and reach out for our shared prosperity. I thank you.
Decided after my lawyer gave me an advice that I'm not to go to police because the letter what I had received is not complete.
We have no territorial aspirations outside our national territory. Therefore, we have no real need for power projection too far away from our national homeland.
It's a city government has a duty to provide livable living environment for its residents, and this include addressing climate change impact by making efforts.
I'm son now here, you understand? But in the picture with me, no problem. I'm big shot now here. Come on, on the picture every day, no problem. Until 1 million picture, no problem. I'm happy with my children.
Bersama saya, San Effendi, melaporkan dari Pordes Panjalu.